In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Google Sites as of the year 2025. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to customize their website and make it visually engaging. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Google Sites, this tutorial will guide you through each step in a simple and clear manner. First, we need to start by accessing the text box where you'd like to change the text color. Click on the text box. This will highlight the text that you can modify. It's important to ensure that the text box is active, as this will allow us to proceed with modifying the text attributes, including its color. Next, once your text box is activated, you'll see an option labeled Normal Text on your editing toolbar. Click on this option. By doing so, you're opening a menu that will provide you with a variety of formatting choices. Here you'll have the ability to switch between different text styles, such as heading, subheading, and more. It's crucial because selecting the correct style may affect how your text integrates with the theme you're working with. Now let's focus on selecting the heading style from the choices available. Click on Heading. This choice not only changes the size of your text, but also marks it as a headline or subject, which can help with organizational structure on your page. Text styles can enhance readability and draw attention to important content. After you've selected the heading style, it's time to type out the specific word or text you're focusing on. Click into the text box and type the word or phrase you'd like to edit. At this stage, it's good to review your spelling and ensure that your text conveys exactly what you want. Following this, we need to explore the Themes section. You'll find this by clicking on Themes at the top of your Google Sites interface. By clicking on the Themes tab, you'll have access to a wide range of style settings. Themes not only change the general appearance of your site, but often offer customizable text color options too, so it's worth exploring these to find a look that fits your needs. Now to our final step, which is perhaps the most critical, selecting the desired text color. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll find various color options. Here you can select a color that suits the mood and style of your website. Choose a color that complements your site's overall theme and is easily readable. Make sure the contrast between text and background remains strong to maintain accessibility and readability. With these steps completed, you've successfully changed the text color on your Google site. Customizing text color can significantly enhance your site's appearance and make certain elements stand out. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations until you find the perfect fit for your content.